In this lecture, we will talk about our and other content brief with the same principles, and we slightly talk about the quality nodes. If you look at the structure that we have created, it coming from these queries. One is from the health line and the other is from the medical news today. Basically, these queries we take from the medical news today for outranking this specific web page, and we take the queries from the health line to outrank the overall source. One more time, we have the explicit question query. That means this same question is appear in the queries. So we called it explicit question query. After the question, we add the context term risk and the benefits. First, we see the benefits of drinking water, what happens drink too much water, and human body percentage of water. So now we see drinking the cold water. The one thing that did not change in the information retrieval is the document vocabulary and the query vocabulary. Whatever you see in this area, it also appear with a proper structure in that area, and it increase the relevance if more coverage. But it's not like putting something from here to here. It's a complete structure and the strategy and the proper flow to create or process raw queries to the processed document. We ask here the Boolean question and we expand it further with the different variations. We add the context term risk and the benefits, and we know it will be multiplied together with this drinking cold water context. And we create here the different subsections in the article, because remember that if you have the Boolean question document, you create the different variation with a slightly different context. For example, here, why do my teeth hurt when drink cold water? Here you can see first we give the body part. Body parts can be affected by cold water. Then directly we give the teeth. Teeth is basically the part of the body. So that's how we expand and create the subsection in the articles. Here you can see this specific question is in the H4. So if you have, again I repeat, if you have the Boolean question in your macro context, you create the further variations in your contextual hierarchy or create the subsections like that. It will be more helpful for your ranking. Now after that, we ask the question, what is the benefits of drinking water? First we ask the grouper word, then we go to the lose weight, that is exactly the benefit, and we create the subsection for it. And after we ask again the Boolean question with a slightly different context for expanding previous contextual vectors. Then we ask who should drink cold water? Should pets drink cold water? Here we go for the siblings of human, because in all the context as we mention the body parts, we implicitly ask the context about human. Now we go here for the pets. In a lexical relation, it is the sibling of human body or human word. Then we ask how much cold water should you drink a day? Drink a day, we ask this specific context or question in a different content briefs as you remember, and we directly ask the question, that is how much water should I drink a day? We use their terms in the headings with a slightly different context and attach the internal link. After all, we give the warm water, that is the antonym context, and link to the drinking hot water. Cold water and the hot water are the antonyms to each other, and we give the antonym context at the end. In the next lecture, we will see how the comparison or the different or the verses or like queries, how these processed, and then we go for the articles. Thank you.